First, let me compliment you and thank you for the question. What Congress is doing or has done is apparent in the state of Karnataka for last 1.5 years since the biggest calamity in shape of COVID has hit us. Details will be given by the PCC president and I would urge him to do so. In this state, Congressmen and women ran 1700 ambulances for free all through COVID. India's biggest non-government program, Arogya Hasta, was ran by the Congress party workers and leaders on the ground for almost a year. When people were dying across the country, be it in Chamarajanagar hospital or elsewhere, and BJP was only in denial. Government had run away. They had abdicated the people. There was no government in Karnataka. The only people who were trying to provide oxygen cylinders and oxygen concentrators were congressmen and women. When one remdesivir injection was being sold in black market for 30,000, 40,000 rupees, there were only congressmen helping. When hospitals were charging astronomical sums of money from ordinary people like you and me, I think MB Patil ji is here. Our people, our leaders like Mr. MB Patil and all others, Dr. Parameshwar is not here today. They had opened all their wards. Shiv Sharangappa Sahab. They had opened their hospitals and they had given special discounts and made treatment free.
70% discount.
70% discount in case of Mr. Patil. Dr. Parameshwar added over 1,000 beds in his hospital. When Yadurappa government was looting the coffers of the state, Congress party was serving the people of the state. This is what Congress was doing. Would you like to add something?
No, nothing. Accident, I don't know your good name, please. Patna Shetty. Anyway, now I wanted Saab only to reply one thing. After this government was being formed, when Corona came up, it is the opposition party which made them to start their work. They were sleeping. Whatever promises was being done after the lockdown, they could not deliver. They just said, lit the lamp, have a clapping, and do this budget. We, myself, opposition leader, we all the party met the chief minister, forced him to announce an economic package. Even all party meeting was been not done. The people from here, the northern Karnataka, other Karnataka, who were there, who in Bangalore, we forced them to have a travel. We gave them check. Then it was been adopted at the national level. It is Karnataka Pradesh opposition party being here. We pressurize. The number of kids, the ruling party leaders took the kids and put their photograph, including the former chief minister here, and distributed. But no congressman. They invested on their own. Crores of rupees have been invested in every assembly segment, including the last vaccination also. The food kits. I think, as he said, the number, we can give the vehicle number of every ambulances, which I think in the entire country, Congress party, as an opposition party, the entire totally.
Yes.
Assam government have given an instruction not to travel Mizoram. Assamese should not travel to the Mizoram. What do you
The death of police personnel, the violence between the state of Assam and state of Mizoram are a direct failure of Home Minister Shri Amit Shah. as also the BJP NDA governments and the chief ministers of Assam and Mizoram. You tell me, have you ever heard there is a BJP NDA government in Assam? There is an NDA government in Mizoram? And there is a BJP NDA government at the center. Home Minister had gone there 10 days, 12 days before to Assam. Home Minister was aware of the situation. Why is he making police of the two states fire upon each other? Have you ever heard that in 73 years in independent India? That the police of two states and civilians of two states and MPs of two states are firing upon each other? Should we be fighting the enemy, or should we be fighting our own brothers and sisters and the two states which are nothing but family? This is the difference between a UPA Congress government at the center and the present NDA BJP government at the center. It's an utter failure of the Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah. And what are the Chief Minister of both Assam and Mizoram doing? Playing Twitter. Do you play Twitter with the lives of people? Does Mr. Hemanto Biswa Sharma, as also the Mizoram Chief Minister, have any shame left? And why can't Mr. JP Nadda or Prime Minister Modi act against them? Are they going to make people of Assam and Mizoram fight with each other with guns and weapons? Is that the way you are going to run this country? No Home Minister of India would have failed so miserably as Mr. Amit Shah has failed. All that he is busy in is snooping and spying. That's why he does not answer who bought it, PM or HM.
Sir, yesterday, Pradhan Mantri 27% medical
Post-graduation.
PG.
Well, thank you for asking that, because I wanted to say that from a national perspective also. Bharatiya Janata Party is anti-backward class. Bharatiya Janata Party is enemy of backward class. The poor, the deprived, the scheduled caste, the scheduled tribes. BJP has never done anything to help the disadvantaged sections, including the backward classes. And the credit that Prime Minister is now trying to seek on Twitter is actually deliberate falsehood and untruth and lies being perpetuated by Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. And I'll just prove it to you in 2 minutes. Friends, the backward class reservation in this country, if you remember, and some, of course, many of us, including myself, were not even born. In 1952, it started with 2% reservation. Then in 1980-81, it was 10% reservation for backward classes. And then Congress implemented the Mandal Commission. And then in 95-96, we gave 27% reservation for BC and OBCs. Just like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Baba Sahib Ambedkar, they had enacted the reservation for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the constitution itself. So Congress gave the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe reservation in the constitution in the first go, and then we implemented finally 27% reservation. This reservation was not applied at that time to MBBS, BDS seats, that is doctors and dental doctors. So in 2007, Dr. Manmohan Singh ji and Shrimati Sonia Gandhi, So that's the theme of the letter. And she said implement it. Prime Minister chose not to even reply to the letter, for he never wanted to give reservation to backward classes. He didn't even respond. Then one of the child, they went to Madras High Court. The Madras High Court, and I'll ask them to send you this judgment also. I just try to check the date. Yes, it's here. On 27th July 2020, said you can't deny this reservation, it has to be given. And in fact, the words used are very, very strong. I was just showing to the PCC president also. They said we are issuing certain directions as we find that the entire constitutional obligation to take a decision by the central government is evidently a necessity. Constitutional allegation central government has failed to do. So they said we have to issue a direction. So they issued a direction, give reservation. Children have to be given reservation. Prime Minister Modi didn't implement this judgment also. That's the tragic part. So then what happened? Then Congress and DMK, they filed a contempt in the High Court there through Mr. Wilson. I'm sending you this also. We had to file a contempt that Prime Minister is not even implementing 27% reservation despite now a High Court order. In that contempt, finally this order came, which is dated 26th July. No, sorry, this is dated 21st July. On 21st July this month, they said 7 days and no admission now can be done. We are stopping all admissions. And we are issuing you contempt for you are violating the orders of the court and the constitutional mandate. In fear of going to jail, Government of India had to implement now the reservation yesterday. For fear of going to jail, for not implementing the verdict. Friends, this is the double speak and the duplicity of the BJP. I want to tell all the young children from backward classes, deprived classes, Prime Minister who claims to be backward denied you reservation for 7 years. Reservation that was given by Central Act in 2007 for all central educational institutions by the Congress party and should have been given also in the states. He continued to deny despite Srimati Sonia Gandhi's letter of July 2020. He continued to deny despite a year ago the Madras High Court directing so. Finally, he had to give it because there was threat of contempt on 21st July 2021. So these are the facts. And I'll send you these 3 documents. I'll send a soft copy and you please send it to all friends of the press.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मानक गुप्ता। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें और हाँ, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप देश और दुनिया की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए News 24।